Chöju ton tsamba tamjaba.
Homage and author's promise.
Yecham Truden Talindi.
Destroyer of the four Maras, endowed with the 6 excellences beyond extremes.
Shunjam Tuji Paldenpa.
Endowed with the magnificence of peace, kindness, and compassion.
Yearna Jerva Latat Ni.
Is the youthful one. Having bowed to him,
Kinju Domshon Zenchu Bel.
I will unfold the Dharma held as the abridged gateway to knowledge.
Domsik.
Summary.
Gonglan Keeper Hyava Ye.
What makes someone learned
Ni Chutak the Sombano.
is taught to be the 10 subjects.
Pungkam Shinchi Tenjir Tong.
The aggregates, the elements, the sense sources, interdependence,
Ni Tong Ni Mo Umbo Tu.
the correct and the incorrect, the faculties, time,
Denba Ton Tikpa Tang.
the truths, the vehicles,
Dushi Duma Hi Juo.
the compounded and the uncompounded.
Pombonga.
The 5 aggregates.
Zudong Tsorvan De Hi Tang.
Forms, feelings, perceptions,
De Hi Nam Hi Pombonga.
formations, and consciousnesses are the 5 aggregates.
Zu.
Forms.
Zuna Onga Dunga Tang.
The forms include the 5 sense faculties, the 5 sense objects, and
Chuji Hinchit Zuchi So.
the mental objects.
Mig Na Na Ji Lu Onga.
Eye, ear, nose, tongue, and body are the 5 sense faculties.
Zuk Da Tru Ru Rektun Nga.
Forms, sounds, odours, tastes, and textures are the 5 sense objects.
Mir Zuchi Yewa La.
The eye sense objects, forms, are divided as
Hosir Karma Tsav Ndok.
blue, yellow, white, and red, the 4 primary colours.
Mig Zhen Tong Tava Derku Na.
Cloudy, smoky, dusty, misty.
Nyetip Toman Yellow Jet.
Sunny, shady, light and dark, the 8 secondary colours.
Ring Tong Hong Dam Toma Tang.
Long, short, square, round, high, low.
Taro Shaltong Shalma Yip.
Fine, coarse, even and uneven, the shapes.
Yayong Zonge Parma Sok.
Furthermore, attractive, repulsive, neutral, and so forth,
Nong Yeva Tamanjer.
are many subdivisions.
Dai Nong Yeva La.
Sounds are of different kinds.
Sunjong Ju Shong Ma Shong Tang.
Out of mind-embraced elements or not,
Nika Lin Shong Wa Sim.
or by both, 3 types of sounds occur.
Semchen Te Tun Tun Ju Hit.
Animate sounds either express meaning
Te Do Tong Ni Tun Jut La.
or not. 2. Sounds that express meaning.
Jikten popi tang yin tang.
Can be labelled either by a lay person or a noble person.
Yan yon zongen parmasam.
Moreover, pleasant, unpleasant, and neutral sounds are 3
Nong yeba timitu.
out of innumerable divisions.
Chela shinme shimcha nyam.
Odours are divided into fragrant, non-fragrant, and neutral.
Sanxi yashong su yewo.
Into natural and artificial and so forth.
Ngashir lansa kasaka.
Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent
Run number 2 tendo.
are accepted as the 6 aspects of taste.
Yan yon ye omong tang.
Moreover, pleasant, unpleasant, and
Parmas su yeba mang.
neutral are 3 out of many other divisions.
Resha jodong jib yin.
The 2 types of textures are causal and resultant.
Sashir joyo junjong red.
Solidity, fluidity, heat, and motion are the causal textures.
Jansip joyong jikam zhang.
Smoothness, roughness, heaviness, lightness, hunger, thirst, cold,
Nyen lu tamsik naga che.
supple, yielding, rigid, sated, ill, aged, dying,
Ngal su padong pong che so.
rested, bold, and so on,
Jib resha reshi yeba wo.
are divisions of the resultant textures.
Chu ji chen che pa zuk ngan ne.
There are 5 types of forms that are mental objects.
Du li chur dong ngamba kabyo tong yong da omba le xiong zuk tong ne. Kan tok pa dong onjur zuk nga wo.
Deduced, spatial, resulting from a taken promise, imaginary and mastered forms,
Tara dul tong daten tang.
the subtlest particle, an atom,
Chok che repong luk dong long.
iron, water, rabbit, sheep, cow, and
Nyesir suma shigni so.
sunbeam particles, the size of a louse egg, a louse, a barley grain, and a finger width.
Koni konda danjer te.
From one to the other, there is a factor of 7.
Sormonye yetro kon la.
24 finger widths are 1 cubit.
Troye yundam kon hiya.
4 cubits are 1 fathom.
Yundam nga ja jongtok te.
500 fathoms are 1 kilometre.
Jongro jen potse to.
8 kilometres are 1 pagsi.
Tsorwa.
Feelings.
Tsor pundu yewa la.
The aggregate of feelings is divided into
Dedon dungal tongnyon sim.
pleasant, painful, and neutral, 3 or
de dong ye de dung hal tang
pleasure and mental pleasure, pain and
ye me de dong tong nyam nga
mental pain and neutral feeling 5.
mi kin du te repali
Due to the meeting of the eyes, objects, faculty, and consciousness,
hyong chorwa laso drup
there are 6 feelings resulting from contact.
tela de du tong nyam che
Each can be pleasant, painful, or neutral,
ye bi chorwa jo jinjer
so that the feelings can be divided into 18.
yona luchor sensor ni
Alternatively, there are physical and mental feelings,
sangzing chi dang sangzing met
turbulent and non-turbulent feelings,
xianba stand dong nin jong ten
feelings that support clinging and that support renunciation.
laso ye bi tamanjer
These are various divisions.
ndahi
Perceptions.
ndahi je na pong po la
Concerning the aggregate of perceptions,
mi kin du te rekpali
due to the meeting of the eyes, objects, faculty, and consciousness,
hyong ndahi laso drup
there are 6 perceptions resulting from contact.
den dong tanyin zampi ni
Through grasping sense objects and terms, there are 2 types of perceptions.
yona chen cheme tang
Moreover, with characteristics, without characteristics,
chong che dong chen me pa
lesser, vast, immeasurable, and
chero me pen de hi drup
nothing whatsoever are 6 types of perceptions.
de la so fo ye ban zin
There are many other divisions.
ndahi
Formations.
ndahi je na pong po la
The aggregate of formations is
chong den men yi li
either concurrent or non-concurrent with mind.
san hyong nga chi
The 51 mental events.
sam dong chong bar den ba ne
The formations concurrent with mind are
sam hyong nga chi te
the 51 mental events.
kan ro nga
The 5 ever-present mental events.
choron de sen ba ye she tang
Feeling, perception, mentation, attention, and
rekpa nga ne kun ro
contact are the 5 ever-present mental events.
yearning nga
The 5 object-determining mental events.
damba mu pa chen ba tang
Intention, interest, mindfulness.
ding zeng shirap yearning nga
Samadhi and wisdom are the 5 object-determining mental events.
chorwa de hi ni ma to
Apart from feeling and perception,
yen ken de hi pong pu du
all others are included in the aggregate of formations,
ge sem hyong chi chi
the 11 virtuous mental events.
de tong pa yu shen de yang
Faith, carefulness, pliancy,
동념 ngocha 체리오 땅
equanimity, conscience, decency,
마적 마동 뜸 met
non-attachment, non-aversion, non-confusion,
number 문세 존준어
non-violence and diligence
게브센쇼 찌찌때
are the 11 virtuous mental events.
무로 게셔 덴데용 게
Since their essence is virtuous, they connect to virtue.
자부뉴몽 쯔
The 10 root afflicting emotions:
마릭 도쇼 컨트롤 땅
ignorance, desire attachment, anger,
나절 테슴 따와라
conceit, doubt, and wrong views
자부뉴몽 주지샤
are the 6 root afflicting emotions.
다바텔라 나라시나
Wrong views are fivefold:
지ፁ 따동 떡치 쯔
the view of transitory collection, the view of the extremes of eternalism and nihilism,
타르타 동노 록타 땅
perverted view,
따와 축던즘바 땅
holding a view given above as paramount,
설심 또슈 촌즘노
and holding as paramount a discipline or ritual.
따와 나동 따문 나
5 wrong views with 5 non-views
자부뉴몽 찌찌샤
make 10 root afflicting emotions.
예브뉴몽 녀셔
The 20 secondary afflicting emotions:
초바 콘즘 식바 땅
fury, resentment, rage,
남세 저도 요동 여
hostility, jealousy, hypocrisy, deceit,
무차메 땅 첼메 땅
shamelessness, impropriety,
쳇바 세나 잭바 땅
concealment, stinginess, self-infatuation,
마데 빠당 레로 땅
lack of faith, laziness,
바멧 쟁이 시즌 문
carelessness, forgetfulness, non-vigilance,
우빠 굿빠 남이 지
lethargy, agitation, and complete distraction
녀브뉴무 녀쇼
are the 20 secondary afflicting emotions.
녀무 성격 대달리
Putting aside from these 30 afflicting emotions,
진타르 인동 대니당
the 2 views of transitory collection and of holding the extremes,
송된 말 마또 옌
and their concurrent ignorance, the others
두컴더는 오보이
are the essence of the desire realm.
묵게인 혈 대답당
Since they are non-virtuous,
뇌벌리는 묵게인저
actions related to them will become non-virtuous.
옌저여
The 4 variables:
녀동 jöpa 또동 슛
sleepiness, regret, conceptualization, and analysis
옌저여 시샤바연
are the 4 variables.
덴문데 시 녀여
The 24 non-concurrent formations.
Then the Shin
The 24 non-concurrent formations are
Top Tong Matup Kanyam Tang
acquisition and dispossession of an attribute, similar status,
Deshi Meto Tinyum Juk
state of non-perception and its meditative absorption,
Ngofun Juk Song Tang
meditative absorption of cessation, life faculty,
Sheni Gadon Matak Tang
birth, subsistence, aging, impermanence,
Mindong Sikdong Yugi Chok
the categories of names, words, and letters,
Sohien Jufar Sosorangi
ordinary person, regular sequence, definite distinctiveness,
Jurndil Jofa Gurm Tu
connected link, speed, sequence, time,
Yildong Zhongdong Tsokpate
location, number, and gathering.
Dinsun Yena Tetarhi
As shown by these, one should know the other compounded similarity. Similarly,
Nam Hitsojit
the 8 consciousnesses.
Number Ship Pumpo La
Concerning the aggregate of consciousnesses.
Mik number Hipani
From the I consciousness
Yeshi Par Yutsuk Tang
to the mental consciousness, there are 6 collections.
Nyumu Jenji Yatang Ne
With the mental consciousness affected by the afflicting emotions,
Number Hipaki
and the all-ground consciousness,
Nam Hitsoje Tatando
it becomes the 8-fold collection of consciousnesses.
Judam
Conclusion.
Dushi Chuka Pombo Nar
All compounded phenomena are included in the 5 aggregates.
Dushir Teda Tam Yutong
These aggregates are the basis for discourse and
Jujin Jikte Tanitong
causes, and they are called the world, the ground of beliefs, and
Sapatong Jupayan
existence.
Ndambaton Doshakje
By means of intention and desire attachment,
Nyerle Sachi Pombo Te
these defiled aggregates are perpetuating causes and
Tapi Dungal Kunjang Tang
are named basis for strife, suffering, origination, and
Ni Pranjoma Taut Jut
renunciation.
Tangirai Lankina
If one knows the many divisions of the 5 aggregates,
Dola Cheaper and Zambaya
one will abandon the wrong view of
Tawangimba Donjering
clinging to a unique self and
Dushi Chulan Kipa and your
will become learned in compounded phenomena.